Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to replace door warning light bulb on Volkswagen Golf Mk4 and many other models in just 6 simple steps. You have to use a trim tool, so you can find the trim tool set like this in the video description below. First, remove the courtesy lamp using a trim tool. Then disconnect the cables. You just have to squeeze those two tabs to remove it. So this is the courtesy lamp or warning lamp. So use your finger to separate the upper part from the lamp. And now you can see the light bulb. So to remove the light bulb, you just have to use a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Just lift it up. Insert the screwdriver under the light bulb and lift it up. Lift the bulb up. This is a C5W light bulb that you can find it in the video description below. You can also find an LED bulb to replace it. Replace the old light bulb with a new one and place it back on the lamp. Put the upper part back on the lamp. And then connect the cables back on the lamp and place the lamp back on the door panel. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.